Yeah. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Vaughn, and as you can see, we back in the closet. That means we back for another episode of Vaughn's Closet. Listen, I know I've been gone for like
many months later.
Long enough, you feel me? I don't really got an excuse. I can say work got hectic. I can say life been kicking my ass, but what else is new, right? You know what I mean? 2022 has been an interesting year, but listen, forget all the, you know what I mean, explaining, catching up and everything like that. I'm back, about to try to continue to be consistent, you know what I mean? Throw videos out there the best way I can with whatever I get and whatever comes in the mail. I was waiting on some stuff to come in the mail, so that much I can say, you know what I mean? I was waiting for some packages to get in so I could do this whole big video of the unboxings and purchases I have made recently within the past couple months. My first sneaker pickup since I sold my collection and everything like that. So we're gonna hop right into that right now. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. I know we only a minute in, but like the video. Follow me on Instagram right there, you know what I mean? You see the brims in the back. Watch some of my older videos about brims, my whole collection video, my side patch video, my under brim breakdown history video, you know what I mean? Catch up on all these videos. The road to 1,000 subscribers is still in full effect. I made this channel last year, October. October is a month and a half away. Let's see if I can do it, man. Let's see if I can get monetized in this next month and a half. But again, without further ado, let's get into all these pickups, man. Where should I start? I'm gonna start with the feats, you know what I mean? Like, since I said, like, one of the last videos I did was me recording my whole sneaker collection before I sold it. So let's start out, you know what I mean, with my first sneaker collection, my first sneaker pickup since selling the collection. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what this is. You know what I mean? You've seen it on my feet. I've shown it, I've worn it. It's become a daily wearer at this point, you know what I mean? You see the brim, you see the shirt. You can probably assume I had this shoe on today, because I did, but you see the box, you know what I mean? OG Nike box, you know what I mean? For all you youngins out there who did not know or don't know why this box is like this, and not the traditional gray Air Force One box, this is the OG Nike box, Air Force One box, with one of them at least. I'll show you the other one when I mentioned when this shoe originally came out. But without further ado, again, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know what it is. Yes, the chocolate Air Force One mid, you know what I mean? Air Force One, chocolate suede, cream midsole, cream swoosh, cream laces, all stationary cream, you know what I mean? I didn't do none of this. It's in customization. This is how they come out the box. Chocolate and cream, top to bottom. Suede is, you know what I mean? Suede is buttery. It might not be, picking up on camera and moving properly because I did get caught in the rain in these the other day. But yeah, you know what I mean? Chocolate Air Force One mid. This sneaker originally released in 1997. I'll put the picture of the originals right there. Bong. Thanks to Lou Kang's Closet, one of the craziest sneaker pages on Instagram, posting OGs for sale all the time. But boom, that's the OG right there. Came out in 97. You see the chocolate suede, you see it's a mid, and you see the box. See, the box is different. So they technically didn't give us the OG box. That's the OG box right there. But nonetheless, these are fire. If they drop them in a high, in a low, I'm copping without question. That shoe is sitting on Nike.com still. I thought for sure after Travis posted this that these shoes were gonna sell out immediately or afterwards. They did it. So if you want a pair of those, you can still get them. I believe retail was $160. Shout out to my homie Elijah for holding me down, getting me for them joints for under retail and under $100 at that. So shout out to my homie, you know what I mean? He definitely held me down. Appreciate you, E. But yeah, if you want that shoe, it is still available. The Travis effect did not affect that shoe at all. If you want them, go cop. All right, now I'm gonna get into some of the simpler pieces I picked up since my last video. You know what I mean? This one right here, you see the dope yellow packaging. This one is from Bristol Studios out in LA. One of the dopest short making pages out right now. You've probably seen them because they have ads for days all the time. So you've probably seen their ads, you've probably seen them on Instagram when you were scrolling or flipping through somebody's story, but they make some of the fire shorts out on the market right now. What I got from them was it's actually a plain white tee. It says Bristol Studios going down the side of the tee. Nice premium cotton, you know what I mean? Thick collar t-shirt, you know what I mean? Super fire. And then I got some of their Bristol Studios socks. This is these are cream. It might not be picking up because of my ring lights behind the phone, but these are actually a cream colored sock. Fire, nice quality sock, for sure. The wrapping and packaging is also ill. But the highlight of their company, without question, triple hem basketball short. You know what I mean? Triple hem, 1, 2, 3 hem. It is not 3 pairs of shorts. It is 1 pair of shorts with 3 hems. Super fire. You see the Bristol Studio tagging on the bottom. You know what I mean? On each hem. And yes, they have pockets. You know what I mean? They could be a little bit deeper, but I understand because the shorts are pretty small, pretty short. Big Bristol Studios tag on the inside. I'll post a picture where I wore these right there at Atlanta Sheetrow Market. Bong, the fire, batting the cat tee. Threw these on with the up-tempos and then the aux pack fitted. Let me know what you think about this fit right here, because I think I did that damn thing, if you ask me myself. Fire company based out of LA, Bristol Studios. I'll post a link in the description. They make fire shorts. I know summer's coming to an end, but if you live in the South, even LA, you can still cop yourself some shorts because it's probably still going to be warm well into mid-October. I'll keep the ball rolling with another dope brand out of LA. Well, actually, these next 2 brands are going to be dope brands out of LA. With these next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 pieces are about to be all fire t-shirts. So let's get into it. I'm not gonna lie, I pride myself in having super fire t-shirts, whether it be Supreme, you know what I mean, tour merch, or just fire random brands that I come across online. I'm not gonna lie. If I come across an Instagram brand and they got some fire stuff, I'm willing to take that chance, you know what I mean? I'll read the description, and if I think it's fire, I'll pull the trigger and take a chance. If it doesn't come, I'll take the L. You know what I mean? I'll take the L and, you know what I mean, deal with the scam. If it does come and the quality isn't what I want it to be, it is what it is, you know what I mean? But if it comes and it's fire, then you just came up on a gem, you know what I mean? These 2 t-shirts are from One of One LA, you know what I mean? Super fire pack that they did. And I can tell the t-shirt got some weight to it, which is what I love. Definitely got some weight to it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see the t-shirt in its glory, me sitting down like this, so I'll try to do some b-roll of me putting it on and everything like that. But I believe this is the Mansa Musa, you know what I mean, the richest man to ever live t-shirt. Mansa Musa, you know what I mean? I'll stand up. You see the scrolls on the side. But again, for those who don't know, Mansa Musa is not only the richest black man to ever live, but considered to be the richest human to ever walk the face of the earth. You know what I mean? Do your research, do your Googles, and look into him, man. Especially if you're a melanated individual like myself, you should definitely look up on some of our ancestors that you don't get told about in your social studies class. You know what I mean? So Mansa Musa T from One of One LA, super crazy. Into the second One of One LA, again, another part of African American history that doesn't get talked about enough. You know what I mean? The Red Tails, you feel me? 5 African American individuals that flew, and I'm not gonna lie, I do forget the war, but bro, just look at the detailing on these t-shirts. The quality is A1, the screen printing is A1. This is fire, bro. I haven't even really got a chance to look at it myself. As you can see, this is my first time taking it out. The fit looks perfect. I'll try them on. Every time I say I'm gonna try something on for a video, I forget to do it and record that part of the video. If I forget, I apologize. Just follow me on Instagram and you'll see it there with a fit sooner than later, I can guarantee, because these t-shirts are fire. Shout out to One of One LA. Damn, these is hard, bro. These are super hard. I'm gonna have to go watch Red Tails after doing this unboxing, because these tees are fire. Next tee, another one from Art for Villains. Definitely one of the tees I was most looking forward to getting. A little upset with the shipping, I'm not gonna lie, but the t-shirt is super fire. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Samurai t-shirt, all over print. Got the samurai looking 3D printed, afro looking mad luxurious, blood spatter looking like rain. Just look at the afro, bro. Look at the fro. You know what I mean? Got the bandana straps. Afro samurai from Art for Villains. If you order for them, please expect a wait and delay in shipping. It's gonna take about a month and a half plus. I'm just saying, I believe the individual kind of runs the organization by himself, and everything is made to order. So all the designs you see on the website, none of them are pre-made. They're all made to order. So whatever you order is going to be made upon your order. The multiverse is getting crazy. So when I saw this, I had to cop because hopefully my man is in phase 5 and 6 to come. Because if so, I am super prepared for the movies. You know what I mean? So kill him with some drip. Dr. Stephen Mother Effing Strange. You know what I mean? Again, the all over print tee of the Sorcerer Supreme. You know what I mean? Got the color blocking looking crazy, the detail looking crazy, his name in the background behind his, you know what I mean, his head. Got the galaxy and the stars in the background with the planets as well. Fire. And then we got the bat. I don't know which one is better, man. This, the bat and the cat, or my Galactus and Silver Surfer tee, because this is bananas. You know what I mean? These are three. Those is 3 bangers right there in regards to my superhero tees. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. What's the best of the 3? The Bat and the Cat, the Doctor Strange, this one right here from Art for Villains, or that Galactus and Silver Surfer tee. Let me know what you think in the comments, because I think all 3 are straight bangers. All right. Now, for the last unboxing of the video, whenever you see these little brown boxes, you already know what it is. These drops are both like over a month old, and as you can see, both of the boxes have been opened, but I just had to see what they look like in hand. I couldn't wait for this video because I didn't know when I was actually going to record this video. Haven't worn any of them yet, so we definitely gonna do, you know what I mean, got the Lysol can on deck, so you already know what that means. So we're gonna do a little bend and try on session real quick, but let's get into the first box. First box is from Cap USA Harlem. Shout out to Diallo as always, you know what I mean. First one, Phillies two-tone, you know what I mean, classic Philly P with the star, red brim, royal blue crown, red button up top, you know what I mean. Easily the best Phillies patch, the 96, yep, 1996 All-Star Game patch, gray bottom, white guts. Smooth flat baddie with the white outline, you know what I mean, classic, super classic, 7.5, you know the vibes, you know what I mean, but let's try it on, you know what I mean. Brim of the day, it's been a minute, you know what I mean, chocolate, you know, chocolate joint, you feel me, chocolate Atlanta Braves joint from, I believe I got this joint from Sports World, I always forget, Sports World two-tone, I mean, all chocolate, Atlanta Braves, pink brim, chocolate button, flat pink and teal baddie. You know what I mean? Just a clean chocolate brim. You feel me? You see the other joints back there. You know what I mean? I got the chocolate Yankee. I got some other stuff back there. You feel me? Let's break the brim in. You know the vibes. You know what I mean? Hold it for a couple seconds. Feel me? Hold it for a couple seconds. Perfect fit every time. I'm not gonna lie, this feels kind of loose for a 7.5. Let me see where it's made. This was made in China, so it makes sense. I know a lot of y'all be asking me, yo, I be getting my size, but it comes in and still fits kind of loose, whoop-de-whoop. It's because of where the fitteds are made. To me, the Bangladesh fitteds fit a little snugger, and the China joints fit a little loose. Next fitted, you know what I mean, another Yankee two-tone, Subway Series joint. Camo crown, black NY logo, red brim, red button. You know what I mean? Flat baddie, red and navy, with the green bottom and the white guts. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. this is the first fitted in a while where I don't really know what I'm gonna wear this shit with. I'm not gonna lie. And that is a rare problem that I have, but mainly because I sold my sneakers. It's like getting dressed and going outside has been pretty difficult because all I really have is up tempos and my Bred ones. I mean, yeah, most of those is pretty neutral sneaks, but it's like, yeah, it's been pretty difficult. It's been pretty difficult. But again, another fire brim. This joint look clean on Dome B. So I don't like how the lettering on the joint is yellow, but it's a clean fitted. Last brim, you know what I mean? It's from Hat Club. Forgot the pin. Simple Hat Club H pin. You know what I mean? I'll throw that on in a second. But again, as I've been saying, every fitted unboxing I've done this year, it is the year of the what? Year of the who? The year of the two-tone. Year of the two-tone, baby. And if you don't know, now you know. But this is my favorite logo and patch combination. That Diamondback and 98 inaugural season patch. It is 98, right? Yes, sir. 1998 inaugural season patch. You know what I mean, with the Diamondback snake, and then the Diamondback snake D. You know what I mean, with the joint with the hair and it wrapped around with the rattle. It's fire. Like, this is boom boom bada bang. To me, it's the best combination of patch, logo and patch out. You know what I mean, two-tone, black brim, teal crown, black button, classic gray bottom. You know what I mean, black sweatband, which is I don't know why they don't make black sweatbands more. Like, I don't understand. That should be, you know what I mean, common across the board. Black sweatbands on every brims, but I'll leave it alone for right now. So this one again, Hat Club joint, made in China. And I mean, it fits actually a little snugger, but I still think the Bangladesh joints fit, you know what I mean, snug when it comes to, in comparison to the China joint. But another clean brim, another two-tone, literally two-tone. And what I also say, every video gotta have at least one what? At least one green bottom. At least one. It's mandatory. At least one. I got the green bottom. I got 3 two-tones, you know what I mean? Feel me? Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. You like the Diamondback joint? You jacking the Yankee joint? You jacking that two-tone Philly joint? Let me know what you feeling in the comments, you know what I mean? We back, man. Vaughn's Closet is back. Again, if you haven't already, like this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to this video. You know what I mean? If you haven't already, comment down below what you think of this video. What's your favorite pickup? What was your favorite t-shirt? What do you think is the dopest brand that I showed? Which ones are you gonna follow? Which ones are you gonna try to cop some gear from? You know what I mean? What's the last fitted you copped? Let me know all the above in the comments. Follow me on the gram right there. And I mean, watch one of these videos right here. And yeah, man, Vaughn's Closet, we back, baby. Let's get to that 1,000 followers so I can start making some damn money. I'ma holler at y'all, man. Peace and love, always.